Who can spot the red bird? That's the singing bird right there. The singing bird. Who can spot it? Look, look, my people. Look at the singing bird. It's not in the mood of singing right now. It's just chilling. I'm trying to go closer, but I know it's going to fly away. One little red bird sitting on the tree. His name is Peter, but not Paul. Fly away, Peter. Come back, Peter. Two little blackbirds sitting on a tree. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Hello there, singing bird. Nice to see you today.